everybody, welcome back. Today we're making my no other taco spaghetti, creamy, smoky, low sodium, and full of flavor. Let's get into it.
Welcome to Wendy's Heavenly Dishes. Let's cook tonight, let's cook tonight. No other taco spaghetti, bold and bright. Let's do it right, let's do it right. Let's do it right, let's do it right. Boil the pasta, no salt needed. Cook till al dente. Cook till al dente. Save some pasta water too, that's your secret key. Secret key. Roast 5 poblanos, 1 red bell, blackened with flair. Blackened with flair. Steam, then peel them, chop them up with extra care. Extra care. In the blender, 3 poblanos, red bell, yogurt smooth. Yogurt smooth. Cashew butter, garlic, lime. Now we're in the groove. In the groove. Tomato paste and seasonings, mango, cilantro too. Cilantro too. Blend it silky, bright and glossy. That's the wow for you. That's the wow for you. No other taco spaghetti. No other taco spaghetti. Creamy, smoky, fresh and ready. Fresh and ready. Wendy's way is bold and steady. Bold and steady. Low sodium, big flavor. Yes already. Yes already. Brown the turkey with red onion. Cook till pink is gone. Pink is gone. Add garlic, corn, taco seasoning. Let the flavor turn on. Add tomato paste and spices. Stir till rich and deep. Rich and deep. Fold in 2 chopped poblanos. Now that texture's sweet. Texture sweet. Mango, avocado, red onion, lime, and cilantro bright. Cilantro bright. Toss that salsa gently. Keep it fresh and light. Fresh and light. Turn the skillet down to low. Add pasta to the pan. Add pasta to the pan. Pour in sauce and toss it gently. Now you've got the plan. No other taco spaghetti. No other taco spaghetti.
Now that's how you finish it. Fresh, bold, and heavenly.
Sauce, plantain chips. Now that dish looks chefy. Now that dish looks chefy. Wendy said we cooked it up, and yes, it tastes so heavenly. Tastes so heavenly. From Wendy's Heavenly
Y'all have
Dishes.
got to try my no other taco spaghetti dinner tonight.